Do we experience it? Last time I asked you this simple problem that was from my life, that I walk up to the Mother Dairy. Do you still remember that problem? Do you remember? You know, I stay in Gurgaon, and from my one room studio apartment, every morning I walk up to the nearest Mother Dairy outlet, and from there I come back after buying the stuff for my breakfast. Every morning. Can you please tell me how much total distance do I cover? Yeah, she got the message. Yeah, somebody is there. The kingdom of Bahrain. Everybody is working on this problem now. And she got the initial message. Yes, ma'am, your ticket has been booked. Okay, listen. So, ma'am, just for 2 minutes, I will switch off this fan.
I don't want it.
Yeah. The fan is watching everybody. So that's the problem. Yes, ma'am. What's the total distance? Every day. Be very careful while I ask this question. It is a very, very genuine experience that I want you to experience now. I every day start from my apartment to the nearest Mother Dairy outlet. I walk, and using the same route, I come back. Same speed. Volume थोड़ा नीचे बट मैम आपने तो बोला ऑनलाइन ही सब जहाँ तक लोगों ने बाहर लाए
ये डिलीवरी के लिए जाना
ओके देख लीजिए मैम अगर आपको जा रहा है बट ये एक्सपीरियंस जो है जो मैं ये बता रहा हूँ दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्लीज सो मैं इसके बाद में जो है वो इससे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है बट अभी फिलहाल के लिए सो तो मैं जाता हूँ और वापस आता हूँ सेम स्पीड सेम रूट व्हाट इज द टोटल डिस्टेंस कैन यू प्लीज टेल दैट आई कवर एवरी डे don't kill me. I should stand here. This group might directly kills. So, two times the distance. Wow. So what should I do? I should tell you one way distance and you will double it up. How smart. Okay. So, as if like I don't have calculators in my phone. And I'm very sure. The way they outraged, I'm very sure that you can't reach to the answer. Unless you ask the questions. You can't get the answer of this problem unless you ask the questions. So ask the questions and get your stuff.
Yes.
Yeah. First of all, let me just set the perspective. She asked, it is one way distance and you double it. No, it's not possible.
Speed
I don't know. Speed, I don't know, ma'am. I just know that the same speed I go and same speed I return. Time taken, I actually will tell you. This is a nice question. The time taken is, can I run this off? Yeah. This is the only thing that you can silent in your life. Okay. Many of you might be thinking about your husbands, but it's okay. Okay, fine. That's great. So, what we are going to do is experience and reflection. So, the time taken is nice that you ask this question. Time taken is one way, it takes me 15 minutes. One way, it takes me 15 minutes. Same speed, same time while I return. So, the total time you can make out.
30 minutes.
Speed is same.
Speed is same. Any other thing? Now can you please give me the answer? How much total distance do I cover? You have to smile, Otherwise the answer will not come.
13 is speed.
Yes ma'am?
13 to speed, that is the time.
13?
13 to speed.
13
Yes,
to?
that is the mathematical.
No, I don't know. I didn't get it. I didn't get it, ma'am. Can you please?
One day distance is 15 into speed.
Oh, 15 into speed. So into speed. And I am requesting that please don't ask for the speed because I don't know it. I just know that it is the same speed. I have 2 feet. Okay.
number of
Length of my, okay, step you mean.
Yes, yes.
Oh wow, what a genuine question actually. What a beautiful question. So my one step is, I know that much. My one step is around 70 centimeters.
And then how many steps?
Then how many
How many steps?
Oh my god, yeah! So, it's not good, it's not good. But still, I will tell you one thing. I don't know how many total steps, but I will tell you one thing for sure.
Roughly.
That, not roughly, it's very precise. I will tell you that in 1 second, I take 2 steps.
140 centimeters. 140 centimeters.
Come on, teachers, now at least you can do it.
In 1 hour.
I'm not asking for the steps, I'm asking for the distance. And the distance. I want the distance in centimeters. Come here. What is it?
60.
Yeah, turn around. And then you have to turn around. This is the tragedy. I'm sitting at this side.
Into 2. Up and down.
But you know, they have named it really well. See? Wow, the first answer has come and it is 2.52 kilometers. Yes! I don't know.
I know that.
I don't know whether this is right or wrong.
Up and down. Up and down.
Up and down, both ways. Great. Let us see what others have said.
It is step 3 of course.
Alright. And she, oh my god, the way she reacted. Alright. As if like she is going to auction it right now. Okay, time is up. Yes, ma'am. Any answer? Any answer? No. You mean to say that I don't walk at all? I walk. They are there in the middle of something. 2.52. Wow. You know, it is the best way to answer. Stopping or holding them back. Hey, what if it is not the right answer? Or what if it is not told in the right way? Okay, so they told me the answer in kilometers, and that is the right answer. Listen, what is important here is not the answer. What is important here is not the answer. In this whole situation, which I asked you to work on, what happened? I told you a situation that happens personally in my life. Every morning I walk that much. You know, this is a very optimum kind of walk. You know, it's not 5 kilometers so that I kill myself. No. So I would have asked, what made you struggle so much on this particular thing? What made you struggle so much on this thing?
The complete question was
Data was missing. Data was missing. Yes. How dare he? And I don't know. And ma'am, what else was missing? Okay. The same thing. What children are saying. Okay. What made you struggle that much? Data was missing or anything else?
No.
Only data, the missing data. Listen very carefully now. I would have asked this question in this way also. This is the first way of asking the question that I used. First way of asking. Second way, I could have asked this question that I am not writing. That every morning I walk from my place to the nearest mother dairy, and in 1 second I take 2 steps. My one step is 70 centimeters. It takes me 15 minutes one side. Can you please tell me how much total distance do I cover? So, can you please? Yeah. So, how much total distance do I cover? Then you would have attempted this. You would have attempted this, and you would have, I think, come up with the answer also. Without any struggle, don't you? Yeah? So, without any struggle. So, what made you? And listen, now I change my question. And the question is, listen, we are sitting here and we are talking about mathematics teaching. We are not talking about mathematics. Mind you, we are talking about mathematics teaching. We are mathematics teachers and practitioners. If I ask you this simple question, that what way would you have enjoyed more on working this situation? While working on this situation, which way would you have enjoyed more? First way? Okay. Can you please say this with a smile?
First way.
Wow. With a smile, not with a jerk. Okay. First one, I was really. Oh my God. Cheek. There was a thrust. Okay, now. Yeah. Okay. I think this windows would be automatized. Every 5 minutes. So. Yeah, this, I think you can think of anything. Why this is interesting of answering this particular question or working on this particular problem using first way? What made it that interesting?
Generates more questions.
More questions?
It's challenging.
There was a challenge. Every time you were what was challenge was there. Actually, it was not challenge. Did you feel any kind of challenge in this problem?
Yes.
What was that?
I was trying to find the data.
Okay.
Getting
And
more
then did you find it?
information. Yeah, find it.
You find it? Did you get it?
Not exact answer, but I was somewhere
Okay.
close.
Okay.
close.
What
The
is
competition spirit was there.
competition spirit? Oh, if you
Visualize
look
and-
Yes,
at
visualize and we have to find it first.
it was not at all a competition. Actually, they told me the answer. Maybe I think the way they told me the answer, it seems like they did it yesterday. Yeah, it was so quick. But I think who asked the question? The first question. What was the question? She said about one way distance and the universe. Then she
How many
said,
steps?
listen, can we please clap for her? Because she opened up it in a nice way. I think what are the classes you are teaching now? Stop teaching now. I'm saying really, stop teaching now. Start facilitating. Start discussions in the class. Actually, now for a 35-minute period, at least for first 3 or 4 minutes, not 5. First 3 or 4 minutes, just talk. The way I'm talking with you. Just talk. Let them think. Just talk. And the talk should not be haywire. The talk should not be disconnected from what you are going to do today. The talk should be very well connected. This is induction. It is not induction. Open page number 53. Exercise number 5.2. First question. Stand up and read. And is this induction? My God. It is elimination. First one, you read and that person is eliminated. Then others are waiting to be eliminated. And there is always in a class, like I told you last time also, there is always puja. Always puja. Who is waiting to be called? Yes! When did she call me? She's eliminating everybody. I will nail this problem right now. Puja. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, don't ask the question. I have the solution. Okay? I think there is no need to ask the question. She has the solution of almost all the questions.